Okay, we have a basic 1, 2, both hands up. In 5, 6, put the hand here. Maybe you've seen it in other moves, but we have to catch the lady's hand when we throw on 1, 2, and catch behind on 3. Give the lady a turn. 5, 6, 7. Now the guy is going to have fun. Up with the left. 1, 2, and change hands. First the right. 5, 6, 7. Let both go and go forward. 1, 2. Body weight. That tells the lady to remove the hands. Simple basic right turn for the lady. 7. We're here. 1, 2. Grab the same hand again. 5, 6. Push her back. Guys, put the hands up. 1, 2, 3, 5. Change your mind. Put the hand over. 1, 2. Bend down. 5, 6, 7. A simple crossbody lead. Guys, get ready to enter for the third time. Now you know why it's called the triple. Ring the lady around 5, 6, 7 on top. 1, let go. Grab her other hand and progression now turns. Now we end up regular hold with 1. 1, 2, the side. 5, 6, 7. Ask for the other hand. Double progressional turn. Throw behind the back. 1, 2, 3. Push her forward and back. 6 over the head. 1, 2, 3. And crossbody. Here we go. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next video.